Hello everybody, welcome back. We're continuing this video from the last. This is that day that we're doing some... I'm sorry, I'm terribly distracted here for a moment. Today's the day, yeah, we're doing laundry and grocery shopping, take care of the RV, that sort of stuff. But we're going up here to somewhere, up to a state park, to take care of the RV. I haven't been up here before. A couple of friends in a group told me about this place up here called Buckskin State Park, Buckskin Mountain State Park. And it's in this region where, you know, the rocks and, you know, it's all cool looking and stuff. And I think I got the dash cam all crooked, and so I don't know how that's going to come out, but I'm going to play it anyway, so excuse me if the dash cam's all out of whack. But anyway, we're going to go up here to Buckskin State Park. It's supposed to be all scenic and right along the water, so I wanted to check this out. And I wanted to point something out about that place that everybody likes to stop back at Ehrenberg. For those of you that travel out in this region in the wintertime, you know the typical towns and stops from Lake Havasu City to Parker to Ehrenberg, Quartzsite, Yuma, you know the whole... There's a little stop in Ehrenberg that I really don't know if I have any more use for it at all. It's a couple videos ago I mentioned or found out that the dump station is permanently closed. Well, now I found out, you know, I got my last fresh water from there, and I don't know what's in it. It doesn't stink or anything, or having, you know, there's no odor, or it's not discolored, but it seems to have a, as it evaporates, you know, I noticed around the one faucet that I get coffee water out of, it's filtered and everything, but it leaves that, as it evaporates, it leaves that white chalky, like calcium deposit. Oops, here it is, Buckskin Mountain State Park. And I noticed around Bella's, the water level in Bella's bowl, you know, as that water evaporates, you know, it leaves that white chalky deposit. And I've never ever had that happen in the boundary from any water I've put in it. So, I don't like the water there from Ehrenberg. So I'm not getting water there anymore. Matter of fact, I pulled the drain, the low water point drain, and it's been trickling out. The tank's about completely empty. Now there's supposed to be good water here up here at the here at Buckskin State Park. So that's just a heads up that, yeah, I'm not getting water in Ehrenberg. The dump station's permanently closed. Heck, their little laundromat. I just left here in Parker. I just left the 16th Street laundromat. It's big, it's clean, the machines are cheap, they're modern. It's a nice laundromat. I went in Ehrenberg, it's old machines. You know, out of all the dryers there, it's only like a dozen dryers. I think 3 of them work, and they're not very cheap. And yeah, it's just kind of a dumpy little laundromat. So I'm really getting less and less need for that. It used to be a real convenient stop, but yeah, I'm kind of done. I'm done with that place. Alright, I think I gotta pay here. I'll be right back. Hello?
Hello. Can we help you?
Can I use your dump station facility?
Yeah, it's $15.
Okay. Wait, one second. Okay, $15 the dump and water. Okay. And does that include, is there fresh water down there?
Yes, there is.
Does that include that? Okay.
Yeah. You know where it's at?
No? No, this is my first time here.
You're right here.
Okay.
The dump is down here.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I wonder if that includes dump 1122 day use. Wow. I wonder if that includes just hanging out here. Is it also a day use pass? Well, that's pretty cool. Alright. Alright, Bella. Bella. Bella, Bella. Yeah, this is nice, right along the Colorado River. I would say it is indeed pretty scenic down here. Alright, we're going to get down here to the, find this dump station down here and get the RV taken care of. I guess I'll pull up and wait my turn. Okay, oops, I gotta fix my camera. Hang in there. Okay, and sometimes this thing gets down in the way. Okay, there, is that better? Okay, that is notice drinking water. We are filling the tank up. And we're getting close to halfway. Yeah, the Colorado River, a nice pontoon boat just went up through here. And there's those places, oh yeah, the other side is California. And there, it looks like they're putting in little mobile homes, or park models, or whatever they call those. And there's a sign over there that has a phone number on it. I guess if you wanted to buy one. Yeah. In California, along the Colorado River, in a nice resort type setting. I wonder what one of them little trailers is. I bet they're not cheap. Yeah, and this here, I don't know, they got some kind of club or game room. There's Budweiser signs in the window, so maybe it's like a little restaurant and bar down here. Must be the Marina restaurant. And lots of camping spots up in here. So we're going to finish getting the fresh water filled, and then we're going to pull on up and get them old tanks dumped, and we'll be good to go for a while. Yeah, the old Kawasaki is dirty and needs a bath in a bad way. Scotty, try to behave for a minute, okay? Alright. Okay, we're recording. Okay, this has been an odd, this is the oddest experience dumping my tanks. I met two people who said, oh, hey Dave. Two viewers I met here. Oh. And then some other YouTubers showed up. Terry and Scott come pulling up. I think I know them. Ed and Sue showed up. This is like a popular space.
I know.
Place today.
So much fun. Yeah.
Oh,
that was
stinky. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we don't show. That's why we don't show the tank dumping on videos. It's one of them yucky jobs. I gotta pull up and do mine now. Okay, got everything done. Walmart shopping and gasoline, and I don't remember the tanks, and oh, last stop, propane. All right. As soon as the second chance mobile gets out of the way, we'll pull up and get the bounder filled up with propane. There's Marsha. Seems to be a little confusion. Leave it set. I'll get it in a minute. I used one of my propane bottles for my propane campfire, and we all enjoyed it. And Marcia said, "Hey, we burn a lot of your propane. Let me get that filled up for you." So that was pretty cool of her. Anyway, I'll pull up and get my the bounder filled up and grab that. There comes Ed. He needs a little propane. Got his. Well, Bella says you guys are crazy. Okay, filling it up with propane. I think I still had between a quarter and a half a tank.
You videoing your trip?
Yeah.
There you go.
Here, don't want to forget this.
Yeah.
Let me see, the bounder's gonna take, I think it's a 20-gallon tank, so I don't know. That's 80 pounds roughly. So I don't know, should say take somewhere around 12 gallons, give or take, I'm gonna guess. I'll let you know. Oh, I had more than I thought. I took 9.5 gallons. Not bad. All right. It can go back on. Okay, main valve's open again. I'll have to reset the refrigerator. Should be good. And we'll get this on my slip, 9.5, very good.
Yeah, she got that for you already.
Right. Okay, thank you now.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're gathering here a little bit, getting ready for our caravan down the Quartzsite area. Okay, I think we're about ready. Oh, I gotta go pay for it. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Well, it's almost 10 gallons at I think $2.95 a gallon. We got off a little easy today. Okay, we're good to go. It's gonna gather somewhere here, I don't know where. We're still waiting on Terry and Scott and Linda. And I don't know where Raj is at, but we'll all get together and head down the road as one big caravan. Bella, are you ready to go caravanning with all our friends? And I bought something for Bella, something special. I think she's gonna like it. We'll have to get that out later.
Hey Dave, we're moving down to the running man, because I think that's where Oz is at.
Okay.
And that's where Terry and Scott are going to be.
Okay.
We're moving to meeting spot number 4.
Alright. Okay, we are going to down the Running Man gas station. It's like a big truck stop. Huge parking lot, so it's a good place for all of us to gather and wait for the others to bring up the rear, then we'll get going. Oh, right here in Parker, they have a little bit of a train museum. There's a train car over there, a passenger car. I've been through here a number of times and just haven't made it. Haven't made the stop yet. So this is some of the in-between stuff that goes on between destinations and attractions. We're waiting on everybody to converge here. Sitting at a truck stop. And suddenly I think it's time to go. Hit that again, Ed. Alright. Oh, and there's Ken. He has a dog. His dog's name is Brodus. We'll have to catch up with him. And see, sometimes people just show up. It's like, hey, come along, join us. That's Jerry. And his big diesel pusher. There we all go. Copy that. See if the founder has enough power to get around them. Okay, we've made it down to Quartzsite, Arizona. I think we have a couple of... I think somebody has a stop to make, or a couple people have stops to make before we get to our final campsite. And I think we're going to be there for nearly a week. I know I'm going to want to get the motorcycle off and come back into town. There's some things I want to check out. We'll probably pick up in the next video from there. So... yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here, and that's about it. Okay, as always, thanks for coming along today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.